Hi everyone. How to create a system restore point manually on Windows 11 tenths. Open Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point. Click on the Create a Restore Point app to open System Properties from the results. Under the System Protection tab, click the Create button. Type a descriptive name when prompted. Once you have entered the System Restore Point name, click the Create button. It will start creating a system restore point on demand. After a few minutes, you should receive a message, the restore point was created successfully. Now, you can close the system protection window. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in next video.